Building a skyscraper, eh? That's not your average DIY project. It's a massive undertaking that requires meticulous planning and a crack team of experts. Before the first brick is laid, you need a solid blueprint. This is where architects and engineers come in, using their expertise to design a structure that's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound. They consider factors like height, weight, wind loads, and seismic activity to ensure the building can withstand the test of time and the elements. Think of it like designing the world's most elaborate wedding cake, only this one has to stand up to hurricanes. Now, you can't just start pouring concrete on a whim. The planning phase involves detailed cost analysis and scheduling. After all, you're coordinating hundreds of workers, tons of materials, and a budget that'll make your head spin. It's all about creating a roadmap to ensure the project stays on track and within budget. Trust me, you don't want to be caught with your pants down when you're dealing with a skyscraper. You wouldn't build a house without getting the proper permits, would you? Well, the same goes for a skyscraper, only it's tenfold. Building codes, zoning regulations, environmental impact studies. These are just a few hurdles you need to clear before breaking ground. It's a complex process that involves working closely with local authorities to ensure your skyscraper meets all the necessary safety and legal requirements. It might sound tedious, but it's crucial to keep things above board and avoid any nasty surprises down the line. Speaking of designs, this is where things get really exciting. Architects use computer-aided design (CAD) software to create detailed 3D models of the building. These models are constantly refined and tweaked to optimize space, ensure structural integrity, and of course make it look absolutely stunning. From the facade to the floor plan, every inch of the skyscraper is meticulously planned and visualized, ensuring that the final product is nothing short of breathtaking. Here's where the rubber meets the road. With permits secured and designs finalized, it's time to dig deep, literally. Constructing the foundation of a skyscraper is a massive undertaking. Engineers use specialized equipment to drill deep into the earth, creating a solid base that can support the immense weight of the structure. This often involves pouring massive amounts of concrete and steel, ensuring the foundation is strong enough to withstand the test of time and the elements. With the foundation in place, it's time to start building the skeleton of your skyscraper. This involves erecting a steel frame, carefully piecing together massive columns and beams that will form the backbone of the building. It's like assembling a giant 3D puzzle, only with much higher stakes. Each piece of steel is carefully hoisted into place and secured with high-strength bolts, ensuring the frame is strong enough to support the weight of the floors, walls, and everything else that goes into a skyscraper. Now comes the intricate part, installing the building's vital organs. We're talking plumbing, electrical wiring, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, all the things that make a skyscraper habitable. This stage is like a carefully choreographed dance with different trades working in sync to install complex systems of pipes, wires, and ducts. It's a symphony of skilled labor, ensuring every element integrates seamlessly and functions flawlessly. Finally, it's time to add the lipstick, the finishing touches that transform a concrete and steel skeleton into a gleaming skyscraper. This includes everything from installing windows and cladding the exterior to fitting out the interiors with drywall, flooring, fixtures, and all the amenities you'd expect in a modern high-rise. Landscaping and public spaces are also given a facelift, creating an inviting atmosphere for tenants and visitors alike. Remember, it's all about the details.